Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to stop videos from looping in the Photos app on your iPhone. Have you noticed your iPhone videos keep playing on repeat in the Photos app? No worries. In the latest iteration of iOS, the stock Photos app automatically replays videos until you manually pause them. This is the sort of feature that might be fine at first but can quickly become annoying, especially with longer clips. Fortunately, there is a quick way to disable this feature. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select the Apps option. Then you have to scroll down to find the Photos app and select it. Then you have to scroll down to find the Loop Videos option and turn off its toggle, and that's about it. Your videos in your Photos app will now play once and then stop automatically. So no more endless replays. It's worth pointing out that if you prefer videos not to play automatically at all when you open them, there is another important setting you can adjust. In the same settings menu, just toggle off autoplay motion option and your videos will stay still until you manually press the play button, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care, bye bye.